Welcome to the new episode of Tech News. Realme C53 is presented. The manufacturer has equipped the smartphone with a 6.74-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1600 x 720 pixels and a frequency of 90 Hz, a touch sampling rate of 180 Hz, and a peak brightness of up to 560 nits. The heart of the smartphone has become an 8-core Unisoc T612 processor, working in conjunction with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of flash memory, with the ability to expand up to 2 TB via microSD. The rear camera includes a main module with a resolution of 108 megapixels, supplemented with a depth sensor and LED flash. For selfies and video calls, there is an 8-megapixel front camera built into a teardrop-shaped cutout in the screen. The device is equipped with a battery with a capacity of 5,000 mAh, with support for charging with a power of 18 watts. Also mentioned is a fingerprint scanner on the side face, support for 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, USB Type-C port, and a 3.5 audio jack. The new Realme C53 is available in black and gold body colors at a price of $121 for the 4 and 128 GB version, and $133 for the 6 and 64 GB version. Sales of the smartphone will start on July 26th in the Indian market. The global version of redmagic 8S Pro is presented. The Nubia brand has announced the launch of sales of the international version of the flagship smartphone redmagic 8S Pro. The global version received a couple of differences from the model for the domestic market. Pre-order of the global version of redmagic 8S Pro will open on July 27th, and from August 2nd, the novelty can be purchased directly through the official website of the company. The smartphone will be released in 3 configurations: Midnight version for 12 and 256 GB, Platinum version for 16 and 512 GB, and Aurora version for 12 and 256 GB or 16 and 512 GB. The characteristics almost do not differ from the Chinese version of the device. There will be an overclocked Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and a battery for 6,000 mAh. The international version of the smartphone received a 65-watt charge against the 80-watt version for the Chinese market. The prices of new items are as follows. Midnight version costs $650, Platinum version is priced at $780, and Aurora version will cost $780.